Hello Automation Anywhere lovers. In this KT session, we will see the use of task bot package of Automation Anywhere A360. So for example, if we have a very large bot, then we will divide that bot into multiple sub bots. Means if you want to work on an Excel file, so we will create different task bot. One will be for reading the Excel file, one will be the and in one bot we will write it to the Excel file, in one we will save the Excel file, in one we will close the Excel file, like that. So we will create multiple task bot, and then we will create a master bot, and we will call all those task bot in the master bot as per our requirement. So for this we have this action task bot, and it contains three actions: run, stop, and pause. Run is for running a task bot. So we can select this action, and we can select the task bot which we want to run. And here we have options to input the if there are any input parameter required for task bot, we can input from here, and also we can get the outputs as well. Here we can directly give the name of the bot as well, or we can select a file from our local drive as well. Means if any bot is saved on our local drive, so we can select the bot from there as well, and also from the control room we can select the bot, and we can select the repetitions as well. Means how many times we want to run it. So we can run it n times, means 3 times, 4 times, 5 times as per our requirement. And we can also repeat this for a particular time unit, means for 100 minutes, for 60 minutes, etc. And we can also run it until user stop this. So this is how we can select the repetitions as well, and we can set the delay between those as well. But in this we don't have any input, so we can't see anything for inputting. And next action is the pause action. So this pause action will apply on the current bot itself. So if we want to run pause the current bot, so we can use this pause. And this stop action also, if you want to stop the current bot, then you can use this action. It will stop the current bot which is running. So we can't stop another bots, and we can't pause another bots. We can only stop or pause the current bot, and using run action we can run the another bots in our main bot. So thanks for watching guys this video. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do comment your doubts and queries.